My Watchgang June 2020 Black subscription tier just dropped in the mail. Hey everybody, I'm Mike again from Ponce Fam Adventures, where we talk about faith, family, and lifestyle. We have another unboxing, and as always, I'm super excited. So let's open it up. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. As I said before, as I'm waiting every day when I know the shipment is coming in, it's such a long day. Quick wrist check for today. Today I'm sporting the Santo, which I won off a wheel spin. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Lets me know you like watching the videos, but also allows us to keep producing some content, and so that other people can also see what it is that we're getting. All right, so as always, we get our little flyer from Watchgang, watchtext.com, the easiest way to get amazing deals on watches. This is new to me. I've never actually seen this, so check it out online, watchtext.com. See what you guys think. Okay, so we've seen a few different watches floating around the internet, and sure enough, we got the same watch. This watch shipped out of Ontario, California. So first glance, it's a nice heavy box, actually. Has a really good weight to it. I'm not really sure how you pronounce this. Duxot. Performance timekeeping. Now, comes in a really cool box. The box covers this really pretty red box, and pretty cool. So far, the packaging is really nice. That's one thing I got to say about some of these Watchgang watches, is that I've been real impressed with the packaging that the watches come in. So what I like to do on the channel is get my first true honest opinion of the watch. So that's what we're going to do. This is the first time I'm seeing the watch. And as always, we get some kind of a warranty card. It'll have a little bit of information on here. Instruction manual of some sort. So first thing that we notice is that watch already comes with stainless steel band. It is wrapped around the pillow. Get rid of the pillow for now. Sometimes it has little plastic on here. We can take the plastic off so that we can get a good viewing on there. And pretty cool looking watch. So it has a brown face on it. What's hard for you to tell is that this watch actually has a really nice weight to it. Brown face, real pretty red lettering on there with a red, I'm not going to say that's the second hand. I think that's more for the tachymeter. Chronograph style here. Of course, stainless steel band on here. Has a date window down right in between the 4 and 5 o'clock position. So the back of the watch is real pretty. It does say Mecha Quartz movement. I am going to have to look that up, see what that means. It is a sapphire crystal. So the watch does have a screw down crown, real pretty. It's like a brushed stainless steel look that it has to it, and actually feels really nice on the hand. So if we notice here, the screw down crown pops out, and then at which point you can manipulate it. Real pretty watch here. I really like the fact that it has the 3 little windows. Has the date window right in between the 4 and 5 o'clock position here. We are nearing 1 o'clock in the morning here, which does equate to 12 o'clock California time. So it's right on time. You can see real slowly the second hand down in the bottom window is circulating. So we know the watch is working. The date is in between today and tomorrow, obviously, but really cool, really pretty looking watch, man. I actually really like this watch. And for so this is what they call the Concilio watch. This is the matte brown color. Unfortunately, the video does not do it justice. The color on this watch is actually very pretty. Has fine little red details on there. There's real specific red writing on there that says 100-meter resistance and chronograph. Very pretty watch. It's hard to tell, but there's little red detailing on there. We have that thin hand, and then we have writing on there that says chronograph and 100-meter resistance. We have the plastic off the band, so let's put it on, see how it looks. So on my wrist, feels really nice. That matte brown look just, man, that watch just looks and feels really nice. The weight to it is really good. I will have to size it down just a little bit. Again, I like playing around with different bands, so I may think about switching it or having a couple different options of the band, but the fact that it's this brushed stainless steel versus the shiny stainless steel, I really dig it, and the clasp is very easy to manipulate, very easy to work. I will have to size it down just a little bit, but really good looking, good feeling watch. Unfortunately, the video just does not do it its full justice. When you see this watch in person, it's a complete different feel. Very similar to how I felt with the Charles Hutton watch. Now for this Concilio, they have different colors options available, which some of them look really nice. Now this one does MSRP for $450, and this is a Japanese mecha quartz chronograph movement with date display. The case is an IPB stainless steel case with fixed bezel. It is a 40mm watch, 12mm thickness, sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. The dial is that matte brown color. Such a pretty color on there, and it does have that touch of red on there. To me, this kind of feels like a bit of a racing watch, and it just feels really nice. The band is an IPB stainless steel solid bracelet with solid butterfly buckle and push button. I wanted to take some time and go over the details of the watch. In the upper right hand corner, or in this upper window portion, is where we have the 24-hour hand. So of course each tick mark represents an hour, completing a day, 24 hours. The bottom window that we're looking at is actually the second hand. If you look closely, we can see each second just ticking away. Now, the upper left window is going to be our stopwatch minute hand. So let me show you how the stopwatch feature works. These buttons are a little firm. You do have to push in pretty hard, but this watch is powered by a Japanese-made mecha quartz movement, meaning it combines a battery-regulated engine with a mechanical chronograph module. So the mechanical piece is going to be the chronograph piece that we're going to go over. So the upper right-hand button is how we would actually start the stopwatch. So we start and we can see that that second hand starts ticking away. Now it can be used as a tachymeter, meaning for every kilometer or mile that passes, wherever you would stop, that's how fast the vehicle is going. So at this particular moment, if a car were to pass, let's let it get to the 30-second. If a car were to be passing a mile right now, it'd be traveling at 120 miles per hour. If it stops at the, let's say the 40 position, it is traveling 90 miles per hour or kilometers per hour. So in order to stop the stopwatch, it again stops, and the bottom button is how we reset that. Now, we could just reset here, or we could let time continue, and the hand proceeds. Now, this upper left window is where we would then count our 1 minute, 2 minute, and so on. Obviously, you can read up to 60 minutes. So we can go ahead and stop, hit this button, and quickly takes us back to the 12 o'clock position. Just wanted to go over that with you. I know sometimes these watches, they look really cool, but a lot of times people don't know how they actually function. And so again, this watch is actually really, really nice. I love the look of it. And I just wanted to take some time to go over how the watch actually works. So let me know what you guys think about this watch down below in the comments. Now for you other Watchgang members, let me know what watch you all received. I've seen quite a few of these hanging around the Facebook page. Mostly I saw a bunch of blue ones. This is the first time I've seen the brown one, and I could not be happier. This is definitely a watch that I would pick, but at the same time still has a little bit of a different flair of the normal stuff that I pick. So I've thoroughly enjoyed my membership. I'm having a good time. Just the thrill of waiting for a new watch coming in always gets me. The fact that we get to unbox these watches and kind of put them on and just try them out. So one, it gets me out of my comfort zone, but two, they're really nice. They feel really good, and I personally am enjoying it. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. So thanks a lot for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. It helps the algorithm and allows more people who are checking out watches or looking to see what Watchgang offers see this content. Hope you guys enjoy the night. Have a wonderful Father's Day, and we'll catch you on the next one.